In this video I will show you how I fixed my Ikea garden chair, veranda chair, outdoor. These are not very new from Ikea, and many times this happened that I had to replace these screws here. Actually, it's the first time this is happening on this place and this screw, and you see the screw is broken. There's a bolt here, and yeah, I was lucky that I was able to find a replacement bolt for this pretty easily. So I got the replacement bolt. This is how it should look like. The other side is okay, and this one, it's a hex mounting. It's not like the other one, but it would still work. It's a bit difficult to put this plastic piece there, but adjusting the chair a little bit makes it go. For some reason, I guess it's rusted, or I don't know, it's just maybe I didn't put it straight exactly. It wasn't going in very easily, but I used a pair of pliers to make it go all the way in. And now using one pliers to hold it and another to tighten the nut here on the bolt. I should have used a normal wrench, but I didn't have with me and didn't want to go and get one. And you see, this is the other place I fixed it. This plastic handle was broken and the bolt was also broken, so I used the hot glue. No, actually it wasn't hot glue, it was melted plastic. I used plastic welding, and I used this heat device to make the hot air, and it melted the plastic, and I used it to glue the chair. Hopefully this helps someone. Thanks for watching.